But we have to decide who's the zebra and who's the ox picker.
I hope we are the bird.
The message is strong. We have strong solutions within Siemens in operation with ENTIRETEC. But if we move the operation from our side together with best class of solutions, we are much more stronger. And this is what we do. We eliminating the blind spots in the OT of our clients. And Siemens brings technology, industrial knowledge, experience over hundreds of years. And we are doing secure, resilient 24/7 operation on one harmonized platform for our clients.
And what is the result, Thomas?
The result is one reference architecture for network and for security, one logic behind, and a clear strategy for data and information management and security.